Here's a simple trick: put it in airplane mode. This cuts off background activities like searching for signals and app notifications, which drain your battery even while charging. To do this, swipe down to access the control panel and tap the airplane icon. You'll notice your phone charges significantly faster. This hack is perfect for those times when you're in a rush and need a quick battery boost. Hack number 2: screenshotting full web pages. Need to capture an entire web page but tired of taking multiple screenshots and stitching them together? Use the built-in full-page screenshot feature. On Safari, iOS, navigate to the web page, take a screenshot as usual, tap the preview in the corner, and select Full Page at the top. This will capture the entire length of the web page. On Google Chrome, Android, navigate to the page, tap the three-dot menu, select Share, and choose Long Screenshot. Scroll to the desired length, and your screenshot will include the entire page. This feature is a lifesaver for capturing long articles, tutorials, or anything that requires a full-page view. Hack number 3: recovering deleted files. Accidentally deleted a file? Don't panic. Most operating systems have built-in tools to help you recover your lost data. On Windows, right-click the folder where the deleted file was stored and select Restore Previous Versions. This will show a list of backups you can choose from to recover the deleted file. If you have file history set up, this process is even easier and more reliable. On Mac, you can use Time Machine. First, make sure Time Machine is set up and has been making backups. Navigate to the folder where the file was located, then click on the Time Machine icon in the menu bar and select Enter Time Machine. Browse through the backups to find the file and click Restore to bring it back. These built-in tools are incredibly useful for recovering files without needing additional software. Hack number 4: using your phone as a remote control. Lost your remote? No worries. You can turn your smartphone into a universal remote control with a simple app. For Android users, download the AnyMote app. This app allows you to control not just your TV, but also other devices like your AC, DVD player, and more. It uses infrared, IR, or Wi-Fi to communicate with your devices, turning your phone into a powerful universal remote. For iOS users, get the Unified Remote app. This app can control a variety of devices over Wi-Fi and even your computer. It's perfect for presentations, media control, and more. Simply download the app, follow the setup instructions, and you're ready to go. With these apps, you'll never have to worry about finding the remote again. Hack number 5: boosting Wi-Fi signal. Shot of a Wi-Fi router with someone placing it higher up. Struggling with weak Wi-Fi signal? There are a few simple tricks to improve it. First, place your router in a central, elevated location, away from other electronics and obstructions. This helps reduce interference and allows the signal to spread more evenly throughout your space. Walls, especially those made of concrete or metal, can block Wi-Fi signals, so keep your router out in the open for the best performance. Another tip is to update your router's firmware. Manufacturers often release updates that improve performance and security. Check your router's manual or the manufacturer's website for instructions on how to update it. Additionally, consider using a Wi-Fi extender or mesh network system if you have a large area to cover. These devices can help boost the signal in areas where it's weak or non-existent. If you found these hacks helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech tips. See you next time. Additional tips and tricks. Clearing cache for faster browsing. Over time, your browser cache can become cluttered with temporary files, slowing down your internet speed. Regularly clear your cache by going into your browser settings and selecting the option to clear browsing data. This will not only speed up your browser but also free up storage space on your device. Keyboard shortcuts for efficiency. Learning keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time. For example, on Windows, pressing Ctrl+C copies text, while Ctrl+V pastes it. On Mac, use CMD+C and CMD+V. Additionally, Alt+Tab, Windows, or CMD+Tab, Mac, lets you quickly switch between open applications. Mastering these shortcuts can make your workflow much more efficient. Using cloud storage for backup. Regularly backing up your data to a cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive ensures you won't lose important files. These services often offer automatic backup options, so you can set it and forget it. In case your device fails, you'll still have access to your important documents and photos. Customizing notification settings. Too many notifications can be distracting. Customize your notification settings to only alert you of important messages. On iOS, go to Settings, Notifications and adjust the settings for each app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps and Notifications greater than Notifications to make similar adjustments. This helps you stay focused and reduces unnecessary interruptions. Enhancing privacy with VPNs. Using a virtual private network, VPN, enhances your online privacy by masking your IP address and encrypting your internet connection. This is especially useful when using public Wi-Fi networks. There are many VPN services available, both free and paid, that offer varying levels of security and speed. Choose one that fits your needs and protect your online activities from prying eyes.